Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the name of the capital of Italy correctly like a native. Pronunciation is Roma, 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 Roma. Now notice that of course I'm trailing my R, but you shouldn't exaggerate it. So it's not Roma, it's Roma. Most importantly, the O. So within standard Italian diction, this is supposed to be a closed O rather than an open O. So you're pronouncing it Roma, Ro, rather than Roma, O. Now a lot of Italians, however, do pronounce it Roma with an open O. So it is regionally variant or dependent. Interestingly enough, in Latin, this would have been an open O, Roma, and possibly lengthened due to phonemic vowel length. But in modern Italian, it is considered more correct to pronounce it Roma. That is, if you're interested in diction and want to become, say, a voice actor. If you want to pronounce it the other way, Roma, that's fine. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.